So today is March 26th, and I was just replaying my own video where I was saying that I have to make this video there where I have to put everything out in the public. So they started to give me twitch on the left side of my body. So it means correct, yeah. So this is my probably within 9 p.m. to 11:40 p.m. Within that time period, I had to literally make 5 to 6 videos because when I will replay my own video, so first when a homemaker word came, they gave me a twitch on the left side of my leg saying, oh yeah, we are trying to make a homemaker's recipe, we are trying to make a perfect homemaker. Oh, you should cook like this and you should not cook like that, or you should make this, you should not make PB&J, you should not cook this, you should not bring this eggs here, because it is my thing that I always have been bringing brown eggs, but it was Illuminati's thing that they made eggs so expensive, $9-10 per, or $7-8 per case, that I had to stop bringing in. And so now, because I was bringing white eggs, now they want to make issue about that. So they'll place a cockroach there in the morning when I go to serve my, cook for my hubby. Oh no, you don't cook this. You see, we are doing homemaker's recipe. Oh, you're using that much oil. Oh no, no, no. We're gonna start giving you little chest pain here, in your chest. Oh, that much oil. No, no. Oh, we're gonna give earthquake. You're using this much oil. Oh, we're gonna play Lugov advertisement on your YouTube if you are watching YouTube, or we'll give some earthquake where the epicenter is Lugov. Okay. Oh no, 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 we are making perfect recipe. Oh, look, that thing didn't turn out good. Look, no, 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 we're trying to make perfect. Oh, look, you are chopping the vegetables, the knife is not cutting that vegetable skin all the way. So now I'm gonna start giving you shooting needle pain in the abdomen, because probably knife blade is blunt, and so I probably didn't want to sharpen it because I just figured out, and I have like 10 minutes to to start cooking and serving. So at that point, I'm not going to sit and start sharpening the knife. I have to take out the machine and do all that. So I'm not going to do that right away. But they want to make issue, they made it. Oh, we're trying to make a perfect or robotic, artificial, intelligent being. We are trying to control, as Kanye West says, we are trying to control her so much. You don't do this, you don't do that. No PB&J. No, 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 no. That's a big no. It's okay. We will not do anything to corporations who actually produce PB&J. I mean, who produce peanut butter, or who produces jam, or who makes bread. But we're going to tell you not to do that by placing a cockroach there in the morning when you go to make PB&J. Okay. Oh, you cannot make pizza. You see? Oh, then we'll start to give you shooting needle pains in your abdomen. Oh, no, no, no. That is like a junk food. You cannot eat pizza. You cannot eat noodles or pasta. That is junk food. Who eats that? You cannot eat even nutritious food, that you cook, because we want to make issue about spinach and ginger and garlic and carrots and vegetables, all kind of other radishes, and God knows, or cilantro and all kind of vegetables. Lemon, yes, they love lemon. So they want to make issues about every single thing I cook. Oh, they are trying to make homemakers perfect. And who are these perfectionist gang members who they pick up from the streets? And I've seen these people who rave up these engines that I keep talking about in my videos. I've literally seen their face. They're absolute trash. Absolute trash. Absolute lowest of the lowest IQ. They literally have picked up the trash public from the streets and asked them to do all this BS. And who are the other people? Drug dealers that they pick. That's their recruits, drug dealers and gang members and the prisoners. these are their military and DARPA and CIA, FBI's recruits, for these directed energy weapon technologies, um, which is nothing but witchcraft. Um, so yeah, this is what is going on. So I had to record that Twitch that they gave me about the homemaker thing, and then now because there is nobody to listen to my videos and nobody's there to talk about my targeting and torture. So now I have to upload these videos into the public. So they are liking it so much. Yeah, yeah, you do that. You upload that in the public. We are liking it. You upload your private life in public. You talk about your periods, your blood, your vagina. You talk about that. We are loving it. We are the Satanists. We are loving it. You know. So all this I have to do against my will, just because I had to expose these people, or I have to expose these people, because exposing them is absolutely needed at this point, because these people have become evil, devil, and they make a pact with Lucifer, because if they don't do all this, Lucifer is going to kill them. They will have to commit suicide, as they take the oath of, oh, if we don't do our job, that's it, commit suicide. But they don't want to do that, you see. So instead they torture other people because they're asked to do all this.